birthday card. You want to open it?
What's in it?
Open it.
This we have to put on the wall with blue tack.
No, it's a birthday card, Kulta.
It's a birthday card.
Yeah.
Hold up.
Happy birthday.
You got a big globe. Oh, let's get it out. Let's get it out.
Scissors.
Yes, special scissors.
Sing your birthday song, Lauren.
Happy birthday.
Wow. This is a good one for you. Oh, you say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh,
You're
Mum, you brought
welcome.
one in here.
What?
You
Oh.
had two.
Okay, I'll keep this
Good job.
for the next one. Here, Kulta, look, you got one here.
Princess one.
Hi, this is Lauren. Look, there's a princess. You can color it in.